Hey learners, welcome back to Edu Intern Voyage. Your learning journey starts. If you are a BCom student who wants simple, clear, and reliable study content, subscribe to Edu Intern Voyage, like the videos, and start your learning journey today.
English-4. Semester 4. Why I Write, George Orwell. Author, George Orwell. Introduction. Why I Write is an autobiographical essay by George Orwell in which he explains the reasons that motivated him to become a writer. Orwell clearly states that writing is not merely an artistic activity but a powerful tool to express truth, fight injustice, and influence society. Early inclination towards writing. Orwell explains that from a very young age he had a strong desire to write. Even as a child, he created stories and imaginary worlds to escape from loneliness and failure. Writing gave him emotional satisfaction and a sense of purpose. 4 motives for writing. Orwell identifies 4 main motives behind all writing. 1. Sheer egoism. This motive refers to the desire to be recognized, remembered, and admired. Orwell admits that writers want fame, appreciation, and intellectual superiority. He honestly accepts that ego plays an important role in motivating a writer. 2. Aesthetic enthusiasm. This is the love for beauty in language, the pleasure of using the right words, rhythm, and style. Orwell believes that good writing should be clear, simple, and effective, not decorative or confusing. 3. Historical impulse. This motive is the desire to record events truthfully for future generations. Orwell wanted to document facts as they really happened, without distortion, so that history would not be manipulated by those in power. 4. Political purpose. According to Orwell, this is the most important motive. He strongly believed that all writing is political. His experiences in poverty, imperialism, and the Spanish Civil War shaped his political views. He used writing as a weapon against injustice, dictatorship, lies, and social inequality. Orwell's writing style and beliefs. Orwell emphasizes clarity, honesty, and simplicity in writing. He criticizes vague language and propaganda. He believes that a writer must have moral responsibility and should always stand on the side of truth. Conclusion. In Why I Write, George Orwell presents writing as a serious social responsibility rather than a hobby. The essay reveals his honesty, courage, and commitment to truth. Through this lesson, Orwell inspires writers to use literature as a means to create awareness and bring positive change in society.